Welcome to Study Loop.
So, answer to this question is that clothes are charged because of friction inside the dryer. This friction makes some clothes positively charged. That means that some electrons travel from one cloth to another cloth, making both these garments electrically charged. Some of the garments are positively charged, some of the garments are negatively charged. So, if these materials were conductors, the discharge between these materials would be fast and they will not stick together. Since the clothes are made of non-conducting or insulating materials, the charge remains long enough for oppositely charged garments to attract each other and stick to one another. So, this is why clothes often cling together after tumbling in the clothes dryer. So reason behind that is that they are insulators, not the conductors. Thank you.